I'm a 50-year-old who has had a 25-year plus career as a professional artist, and I've just started learning Procreate to draw on my iPad, and this is my first coloring book. I'm creating the coloring book I wish I always had when I was a little kid, filled with animals and imaginative spaces. It's a slow-going process, but I'm enjoying the learning curve, and I think it's important to expand our minds and our techniques and grow, even if you have been in the industry for most of your life. This project is really a culmination of everything I love, from my botanical art background to my fine art degree to my influences from childhood like Richard Scarry and Beatrix Potter, and bringing together gardens, animals, and architecture and design all in one little book. I think it's important to never stop learning and pushing yourself, and I'm certainly outside of my comfort zone. I'm so used to working with a pen and paintbrush and real paper, but I hope that you follow my journey, and I can't wait to share the final coloring book with you all.